Hello, good day. Mayong adlaw sa tanan. This is Ram from Explore with Ram and niadto ko dito sa Changan Auto which is located sa NEVO Hills, Lahog, Cebu. So, natay quick sneak peek sa range extender electric vehicle pickup truck which is the Hunter or NEVO Hunter rather. So, na two variants dito which is the 4x2 and 4x4. So, tara, atong i-check atong tanaw ni atong sneak peek sa ilang units. And here we go. Alright, muni ang kasa sa Changan Auto which is located at NEVO Hills, Busay, Lahog, Cebu. So, tapos ni siya sa Mercedes-Benz. Has pareha na sila dealership which is a global star. Dalira ni matultulan. So, here we go. Muni ang pickup truck ko, Hunter. And ang best-selling crossover SUV is CS35. So look at that front profile. Glossy white na ang color niya. And look at the rims and tires, so black. So sarado man hindi ta kasod. So yeah. Preview tani sa 4x2 variant with the channel name at the back. This one is the 4x4 variant. Military or army green guro ni ang color. Look at the rims and tires, so black color din. You know, na Changan Hunter na word. This is the side profile of the pickup truck. Controls and your speaker grills. Any controls po do. And then AC vent there. Nice step board. So saka ta. Yan, sulod ta. Muna steering wheel, tsura, instrument cluster and infotainment. Then kana charging pad. Your mode for your 4-wheel drive and 2-wheel drive there. Then center compartment. Early warning device ni siya. Ayan o. And then let's check the glove compartment there. Yan. AC vent again. And then yung airbag with mirror na sa passenger. And then for the driver's side, wala. Yan. So manual dimming of and headphone and the light there. Again, manual dimming of ayan sa amin, no? Yan, AC vent and the controls. This one is your drive mode nasa right side, and then on the left side combines wiper and signal light. Very minimalist ra gyud ang driver side, no, and yung front profile, no. And then let's go on the second row. Ayan, ay duha ka vent for your passenger at the back, and then there is lights there. Yan. There's some compartment, and then wala siya ano, gusto nga kani yan tire repair kit ni. Yan, okay, electrified man ni na pickup truck, so koban gid na siya. Gid siya tire repair kit. And then the step board again there. Na itsura. Look at the tires and the rims, so. And then at the back portion, there is a Changan word and the model K50 NEVO Hunter. Yan, ano itsura sa lalom. Medyoan gamay. Ayan, tambutso. Component niya sa ilalom. So there's no official word yet if unsay ang suspension. So we'll wait na lang sa upcoming reviews, no. For mga quick sneak peek ra gyud ni ang NEVO Hunter. Yan, look at that. Mahayagan murag gold or what? Nindot kayong kolora. So mo yung front profile again, no. Ano, and then ay camera dia sobos. Let's check the trunk. Sa mga enthusiast sa pickup truck, yeah, you can check no sa itsura sa iyang engine base. So yan no, hydraulic na siya, inigsaka ni mo, automatic na siya no, so di na siya mano-mano isaka. Yan na yung coolant to, yung blue core engine, which is the main heart of Changan, ang blue core engine. Yan no, hydraulic, di ba? Sakara, matic. Na yung mga components. So kamo may mga suhito sa pickup truck no. So ito na, ano yung tsura. Yan no. So there you have it. It's the, again, the camera 360 there. And then at the back, kana. And then side profile sa right side. Yan. Ang isa na dito sa iyahang logo, ubos sa logo. So mo ni quick look around sa units, especially sa pickup truck, NEVO Hunter K50. Alright, there you have it again. Mo na to ang pickup truck from Changan, which is the NEVO Hunter K50 4x2 and 4x4. So ang SRP price 4x2 is 1,699,000, and the 4x4 variant, which is 1,970,000. So hopefully natay full walk around or video for the pickup truck, especially ang spec sheet. So hopefully pakita nato no nikabli atong iyang infotainment and iyang instrument cluster no sa iyang itsura. So yeah, mobalik ta dito, and then we will hopefully check and grab a video as well dito sa ubang new models of Changan, which is the Q05, the Lumin, and the A05. So hopefully in the future na makakita dyan ta. So there you have it for now. My name is Ram from Explore with Ram. I'll see you guys on my next video, and bye for now.